Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Ujwala and welcome to the channel UM Science. Today the topic is DNA replication. DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid, one of the major and important component of our body, because of which only we all are possessing our characteristic. The process of replication is a complex multi-step process which involves the participation of over a dozens of enzymes and other protein factors. The process of DNA replication involves variety of steps. First, let us learn what is this DNA exactly. It is made up of double-stranded helical structure in which the bonding in between of purine and pyrimidines are there. So, this DNA, the full form deoxyribonucleic acid, is for our DNA as it is an acidic structure and possess one oxygen less than the RNA, so called deoxyribonucleic acid. If we unwind our DNA, it looks like a ladder where the two strands are there and possessing variety of interconnected bonds. Here, how this bonding structure is situated. If we look in detail, it is from 5' to 3' direction at one end, and the complementary strand at the opposite side is also from 5' to 3' side, but it is completely opposite. Now about its internal bonds. If you see the piece of this DNA, there are four type of major components are there, that is called nucleotide. It may be A and T, that is adenine and thymine, which are always going to bond with one another. Or else it may be G and C, that is guanine and cytosine. They will bond together with triple structure and A and T with a double structure. They both are connected and they interlink with each other, and together they all form the whole DNA structure. And this is how the DNA structure will be formed with A, T, G and C. They are the basic nucleotide, that is the complex constructive units. Now, the first step, that is origin of replication. It began with our DNA, where the replication of DNA begins at a specific point called origin of replication or ORI. This is the place from where the DNA replication will start. It is always found in each and every molecule of DNA, with the help of which only we can get our DNA in a double form, so it will be multiply again and again. The second point includes activation of deoxyribonucleotides. As we have already discussed, that DNA is made up of the subunits that are A, T, G and C. So they are not in ready position, so they are just like a raw material. They are DAMP, that is deoxyribonucleotide monophosphates, DAMP, DGMP, DCMP and DTMP. First, they are just a raw material. They need to combine with a structure that is ATP, where they phosphorylate with this ATP and come in the formation of active state, and they convert into DATP, DGTP, DCTP and DTTP. So now they are in active form. So now they are very much ready to come and bind with the DNA strand, and the replication process will be go on. So now let us start the actual replication with number 3, that is unwinding of DNA helix. As the two strands of DNA molecules separate before it serve as a template for the synthesis of a new strand. So both these strands will be open up, that is unwinding. But for that they cannot do it by themselves. They need enzymes called DNA helicase and topoisomerase. They work almost at the same principle. While unwinding the DNA molecule, enzyme helicase unwind the DNA helix and separate the two strands. While the enzyme topoisomerase, that is also called DNA gyrase, can break and reseal one strand of DNA to facilitate uncoiling. The separated strands are stabilized by the helix destabilizing proteins. The whole of DNA does not open at one stretch, but the separation of the two strands proceeds slowly from one end to the another. Here, after this process of unwinding, the structure form, that is open DNA, called the resulting formation of Y-shaped replication fork, by which the DNA can be performed their further structure of new bonding. Here, as we can already see that the DNA strands are from 5' to 3' direction and opposite, that is 3' and 5'. Here, the new band forms from 5' to 3' only. That is why it is called leading strand, because it is in continuous manner. As the DNA open up, the band will be formed and the strand will be continued. But there is a little change on the opposite direction. Here the bonding is also 5' to 3', but as the DNA open up, they are forming into a small pieces, and these fragments makes it lagging strand. So that is how the whole structure of DNA will be further proceed. Now the fourth step begun, that is the formation of RNA primer. So first, the RNA primer is a short segment of RNA which is synthesized at the 5' end of the DNA before replication begins. So here the enzyme primase will help, and the free molecule, that is AUGC, will be polymerized and the RNA will be formed. So the primase will come, bond the free form of nucleotides and form a full primer structure. Then after, the formation of RNA primer constitutes the initiation phase of DNA synthesis, because without the presence of this RNA primer, the DNA synthesis cannot be proceed. The DNA polymerase cannot initiate the process without this strand. So now the fifth step will be begun, that is the base pairing. As we have observed here, the complementary molecule, that is DGTP opposite to C, DTTP opposite to A, DCTP opposite to G, and DATP opposite to T. So as you can see over here, the A will bond with the T oppositely, G with C, T with A, and C with G. So likewise, at the opposite side also, the bonding will be formed. And this is the strand from 5' to 3' direction at one strand is called leading strand. On the other hand, the polymerase, that is DNA polymerase, will also form the bonding on the lower side, where after bonding the primer, the other nucleotide can be bound. But here the primer is required at each segmentation, because as the DNA strand will be open up, new primer will be required and nucleotide will be joined further, and every time polymerase enzyme will help over here. So the short segments will become over here, form it as a lagging strand, and these segments are called Okazaki segment. the Okazaki segment, named after the Japanese scientist Okazaki, who discovered them. Now, after the process of this bonding, another process will begin, where the primers will be removed. Here, DNA polymerase 1 will come at each primer site and removes it, and new nucleotide will be joined at the same place. So each and every place wherever the primer is there, it will be removed by DNA polymerase 1, and new nucleotide will take its place. And this is how whole DNA molecule will be formed with the help of new nucleotide. And this is how the whole process will be formed. But at the end, DNA ligase will come to join these small Okazaki fragments, because sometimes the gap can be there. So ligase will join it properly. After that, the last step began, that is the proofreading and DNA repair mechanism. Here, the repair mechanism for abnormal base pairing form in the DNA due to mutation or some other cases. The damaged region of the DNA strand is corrected with the help of enzyme called repair enzymes. The enzyme endonuclease cause a break near the region of repair. The DNA polymerase 1 and 3 remove the mismatch and abnormal nucleotides and synthesize the correct one. And the newly formed segment is sealed by DNA ligase. So this is how the DNA will be converted into perfect and correct helical structure afterwards, where the two strands are there, which are the template one, and newly formed band is called daughter strand. So one strand will be the older one, that is the parent or the template, and new strand will be called daughter strand. So one old and one new, that is how the new completely mutated, or we can say completely renewed DNA will be formed. And that is how the replication will be end up. After the ending of the replication, again the DNA will be open up, it will start its unwinding, and further procedure of another replication will be begun. And that is how from 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, and so on, the DNA will be multiplied. So that is the simple structure how DNA will be formed. Thank you very much for watching. If you are new over here, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep sharing, keep liking. Thank you very much.